Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top online earning methods you can start in 2025 to build long-term passive income. If you want to make money online, whether it's for a side hustle or a full-time income, this video is going to be a complete guide for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I'll share practical tips for each method. 1. The first method is freelancing and remote work. In 2025, freelancing is growing even faster. You can sell your skills on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or TopTal, whether it's graphic design, video editing, content writing, or programming. Pro tip, if you're new, start with small gigs and keep your prices affordable to build reviews. Once your profile gets stronger, you can charge higher rates and land bigger clients. 2. The second method is content creation. People are making 6 to 7 figure incomes through YouTube, TikTok, and blogging. But the most important thing here is consistency. You need to pick a niche like finance, tech, health, education, or entertainment, and consistently upload valuable content. The income sources here are AdSense, brand sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Pro tip, if you're camera shy, you can create faceless content using stock footage, animation, or AI voiceovers. The third powerful method is affiliate marketing. Here, you promote products, and whenever someone purchases through your link, you earn a commission. You can start with platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or CJ Affiliate. The most effective strategy is promoting affiliate links through your blog, YouTube descriptions, or social media. Pro tip, only promote products that are genuinely valuable so you can build trust with your audience. 4. The fourth method is e-commerce and dropshipping. You can build your own online store using Shopify, WooCommerce, or even Amazon FBA. The best part is, with dropshipping, you don't even need to keep stock. Suppliers ship products directly to customers. Pro tip, focus on niche products that are trending, like eco-friendly items, digital gadgets, or health-related products. 5. The fifth and long-term method is digital products and online courses. Here, you create a digital product once, like an ebook, online course, templates, or even software, and you can sell it again and again to earn passive income. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Gumroad are perfect for this. Pro tip, create a product that solves a real problem for your audience, so it's always in demand. So guys, these were the top 5 online earning methods you can start in 2025. Freelancing can help you earn short-term content creation, and affiliate marketing can bring medium-term results, and digital products can give you long-term passive income. Remember, online earning is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort. But if you stay committed, you can completely change your life within a year. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment with your favorite method, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.